Hello students. So, today, okay, wait, I want to do something. Oh, you must be thinking what teacher is doing. Teacher is just spreading dust here and there, no? Wasting papers. Shall I do this? No, we should not do this. What am I doing? I am making the place dirty by throwing paper here and there. Shall we do? We should not do this. Why? Because it makes our surrounding dirty and we have to live there, no? So, we always live in a clean place and to protect ourselves from disease, and I am making the place dirty. It is wrong. So, we should not make the place dirty. Dirty means polluted. Yes, we should not make the place polluted. Our surrounding where we live should be neat and clean. Okay. So, children, today this is only our topic, how to make our surrounding clean. First, we will see how we make our surrounding polluted. We throw dust here and there, we throw garbage, we throw so many things and makes our surrounding, that is our environment, dirty, polluted. We have to stop that. We have to stop pollution. Okay. So, today our lesson 5, our environment and pollution. First, we learn what is our environment and then how we pollute our environment. We all pollute our environment in different ways. So, what is environment? The place where we live and its surroundings makes our environment. The place where we live. Suppose you are living in your house, the house and your surrounding, that makes your environment. And what do you see outside? When you come outside your house, what do you see in your surrounding? We see many things. Our environment consists of land, water, air, plants, animals that live all around us. They makes our surroundings. They makes our environment. So, children, what does our environment consist of? What is there in our environment? There is land, then water, plants, animals, whatever we see outside, that makes our surrounding. That is called our environment. So, our environment consists of land, water, air, plants and animals that all live around us. Animals, all domestic and pet animals which live around us, they all make our surroundings. You can see in the picture, this is environment. Here water, land, animals, birds, plants, this all makes our surrounding and it is called environment. Now, pollution. What is pollution? When the environment gets dirty or is full of harmful substance, when we throw garbage here and there, dust here and there, or is full of harmful substance which harms to our body, which affects our health, that is called pollution. What is it called? It is called pollution. When the environment gets dirty and is full of harmful substance, it is called pollution. It is very harmful to us. Pollution is very harmful to us. We should always keep our surrounding, our environment neat and clean. Whether you are in the house, whether you are in the park or whether you are in the school, everywhere you have to keep it clean. We all keep it clean only, no? At your house, mummy cleans the house, no? She keeps it very clean, neat and tidy. Same way your school also. School also regularly it is cleaned and kept clean and tidy. So, pollution is very harmful for our body. We may fall sick if we live in a polluted place. If we live in polluted environment, we may fall sick. Many germs are produced in this waste and it enters our body and we may fall sick. The main type of pollution. Now, pollution, there are main types. Pollution, also land pollution, then water pollution. We throw waste on the land, it makes the land pollute. We throw waste in the water, it makes the water pollution. We release so many things in the gas, poisonous gas in the air. It makes the air pollution. And children, there are a lot of noise, DJ noise, then sound, full volume of TV, that all makes noise pollution. So, there are four main types of pollution. First is land pollution, then water pollution, air pollution and noise pollution. These are the four main types of pollution which we are going to study in detail. See this, in this picture you can see two types of earth. One earth is fully green, it consists of plants, animals, birds, grass and all. It is a place, environment where it is without pollution, clean and neat. And see this part of the earth where there are lot of pollution, smoke and garbage and everything, and it becomes black. It is dark, the earth is dark, not green. So, we do not like to live in such type of environment, we like to live in clean environment, healthy environment. Now, land pollution. When we go for picnic, we throw wrappers, bottles and use plates in open. We go for picnic, no? We take so many nasta and with us, and we eat everything, wafers and this and all the wrappers. What we do? We eat and we throw it and we go away. Why? Because it is not our house or it is not our duty to keep it clean. No children, that is wrong. Whenever you go for picnic or in park or in garden and whatever you eat, snacks and all the plastic wrappers, used plates, bottles, that should be put it in the dustbin only. Everywhere dustbins are kept. So, throw all the dust in the dustbin only. Do not spread it here and there and walk away. Many germs are born in these dirty places. See, you have left, so many food is also left over, you just spill it here and there and you move away. And what happens? Their germs produce and can cause disease, and it can cause disease. When we pollute the land, when we throw garbage in the open and not in the dustbin, many times what happens? We have cleaned the house and we throw it on the road. Why? Because there is nobody to say. But no children, we should always throw all the waste in the dustbin only. And whenever that van comes to take the dust, we should give it to them, not throw on the roadside. So, in this way, if we maintain the pollution, land pollution is not there, then our land will look like this, and if the land is polluted, it will be like this. So, what we like? We like to stay in such type of land, not in the polluted land, where there is no grass, no leaves, trees also dry up, because land is polluted, trees cannot grow in polluted land. It need manure and all, water and all, and the land is totally destroyed, polluted by waste things. So, when we keep our environment clean, it will look like this, and when we pollute our environment, it will look like this. You can see in this picture, see, this all children, no, they go for picnic and they throw waste here and there, but always good children, they collect all the wrappers, all the waste, put it in the bag and then throw it in the dustbin only, whenever you go for picnic and all. But you can see in this such places, so many waste things, so many land is polluted in so many ways, you can see here, fully everywhere the land, plastic bags and so wrappers and all are flying and they stick with the land and makes the land polluted. Now, water pollution. Now, children, you will ask me, teacher, land pollution, okay, we throw the waste in the land, so land is get polluted. But how water gets polluted? Yes, water also gets polluted. Many people throw garbage into water bodies. Many of them, no, they collect all the dust and throw it in the river or whatever pond or whatever water is there, they throw it, nobody there to see, and land is also not polluted, thinking that they will throw in the water and makes the water polluted. Waste materials from the factories also flow into the rivers, big factories, they produce so many things, so many products they produce, but in producing that products, no, they remove so many waste material also, poisonous things, And where they will throw? They will dump it in the river. They will throw all the waste in the river, and it is very dangerous, very poisonous things. They dump it in the river, and that river water we drink it, and we may fall sick. Animals also bath in river. In villages and in many places we can see people taking the animals into the river, then bathing there, and that all germs and all the dirt from the animal body will mix with the water, and it will pollute the water. Polluted water can cause many diseases, and if we drink such polluted water which is full of dust and germs and all, it will affect our body, it will harm us, we will fall sick, we will have disease. Fish and other animal living in water may die. See, if the water is polluted, then so many animals live in water like fish and octopus and all, and they cannot breathe because the water is so polluted, they cannot breathe. Children, you know, fish and all breathe from the water, oxygen, they take oxygen from the water, and if water is only polluted, they cannot breathe and they start dying. So, in this way insects and many animals and fish living in the water also start dying because of the polluted water. And if we drink polluted water, no, we may have many disease. You must have many times you must have heard the names like cholera, jaundice, typhoid. These are the diseases which are caused by drinking polluted water. Here you can see people washing clothes in villages and all, mostly they wash clothes near the river bank, and all the soap and all the dirt from the clothes are mixed with the water and makes the water polluted. Here you can see this man, he is bathing the animal in the river and he is making the water polluted. Here also factories, they remove all the poisonous, all the dirt which from the factories, and they flow it in, they dump it in the river. You can see so dirty the waste comes out from the factory, and that get mixed with the river. Here this water, it is full of dust only. We should not drink polluted water and dirty water. Don't drink polluted and dirty water. If some smell also comes, we stop drinking that water. We always use the water purifier and purify the water and then only drink. Cholera, typhoid and jaundice are some of the diseases caused by germs in the water. As I told, cholera, then typhoid, jaundice, these are the diseases which are caused by the drinking polluted water. These are called waterborne diseases, and what are they called? They are called waterborne disease. Cholera, typhoid and jaundice, they are called waterborne disease which are caused by drinking polluted water. Disease born from water and which affects our body are called waterborne disease. So, children, if you have cholera, typhoid, these germs attacks you, you will feel you will not feel good. You will have fever, you will have vomiting, diarrhea and all. So, and you will fall sick. You can see the child suffering from the disease by drinking polluted water. So, we should see that we do not pollute water, we do not throw waste or any such things in the water and makes the water polluted, which affects our health. So, children, you have learnt everything? Yes, we have learnt two types of pollution, land pollution and water pollution. Pollution which makes the land dirty is called land pollution, and pollution which makes the water polluted is called water pollution. We have seen the causes, how they are caused in this chapter, and I hope so. Now, you all will take precaution that you do not make land and water dirty. In the next class, we will learn about other two pollution. So, till that, thank you.